Recipe: Pasta carbonara. Ingredients: 200 grams of pasta, 3 garlic cloves, half onion, 200 grams of milk cream, 100 grams of butter, 200 grams of bacon, salt and pepper to taste. In a pot, bring water to a boil and put the pasta to cook for 8 minutes until it is cooked. Cut the onion, bacon and garlic clove into very small pieces. Melt the butter in a large pan to over medium heat. Put the ingredients into the pan and saute the onion, garlic and bacon until lightly browned and very crispy, at least 3 minutes. Then add the milk cream, salt and pepper and mix everything all together. When the sauce is well done, add the Parmesan cheese and the parsley. Finally, drain the water from the pasta and serve it on the plate. Pat the carbonara sauce over the pasta and garnish with a little parsley and parmesan. Now to enjoy. I cook every week and I make this recipe once a month.